What's up, y'all? It's Scrap, and today I want to talk about Uber Eats. I've started doing a few different delivery apps such as DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grub, and I found that Uber Eats is the best. I mean, as far as pay goes, Uber Eats pays the best. If you Google it, you'll find that the average DoorDasher, could only make about $12 to $18 an hour, but if you Google, you'll see that the average Uber Eats person is making about $20 an hour, maybe even $30 an hour. And in my experience, I don't do it full time. I only do Uber Eats a few hours a week, to be honest with you. And in about 2.5 hours, 2 hours maybe, even on a good day, I can make $50. And that's about all I do. I probably make $50-$60 a week, but I only do it for about 2.5 hours a week. And sometimes it's just on a rainy day or something. Other times it's after I work. I'll just do it, like if I work a shift at my other job, if I got a side gig where I'm painting or something, if I get done cleaning or whatever, I'll just turn the app on for a couple hours, make my money, and go home. And sometimes if I get an unexpected day off, I'll decide, hey, let me go make what I would make at a shift real quick. And it usually only takes 3 to 4 hours to make what I can make at a regular job in 8 hours. So I definitely recommend Uber Eats. This video is titled How I Feel About Uber Eats as a Driver. So let's start off with telling people, if this is the first time you've ever done it, make sure you come with a charger and do not go to Popeyes. If you go to Popeyes, man, you'll be sitting out on that drive-thru forever. Because, everywhere's hiring, everywhere's understaffed, everywhere's got a motherfucking line all the way around the building, And the lobby's closed, even though the city's open back up and the mask mandate is over. They ain't got nobody to work at any of these places, so most of the places is still stuck with just drive-throughs. So do not take fast food. That's my first recommendation. And don't take anything that's less than $1 a mile. So if they're offering you like $5 for 11-mile trip, don't take that. That's not really worth your time. Think about it, man. Come on now. What else gotta tell you guys? Let me think about this right quick. DoorDash is okay, especially if you can find a way to get that peak pay. If you get that peak pay, DoorDash is where it's at. But sometimes I feel like DoorDash don't pay enough. But if you get tips, that's where it's at, all right? A lot of people who do this kind of stuff for a living, they recommend that you do multi apps at the same time. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, whatever floats your boat. There's a lot of them. Every time I look into it, I be seeing new ones as sponsor ads on Facebook and stuff. I just saw one called like Go Puff Daddy or something, and then one was called Delivery.com. They're Shipped. There's like Sparked. There's like this one for Walmart. I've been thinking about doing that one, but let me know in the comment section below if there's any dope delivery apps that I should know about, guys, because share the wealth. Come on now, don't hold the secrets in. Yeah, Uber Eats is definitely my favorite one so far, though, y'all. So if you're thinking about doing it, do that shit. But get a little something to hold your phone up for you, like a little stand or something. Get a charger for your phone. Make sure you got fucking gas, man, and try not to pick up the fucking fast food ones if you can. They usually pay on the low side, and it usually ain't worth it because it usually takes forever. Half the time, the order ain't made until you get there. You know what I mean? So in about 2.5 hours, I can make $50, $55, $60. Honestly, guys, I'm not even bullshitting y'all. I got an affiliate link in the description below. Y'all need to check out, because if you click that link and you do your first 25 deliveries, you can make $300. And if you do complete those 25 deliveries within 60 days, I believe, I will get $100 bonus. Yeah, so help me out, motherfucker. You know what I mean? Say something, smash the like button. Let me know you was here. Don't be a stranger. I know this video was a little weird, but I noticed that there was a high demand for Uber Eats and DoorDash videos, and I wanted to help fill that demand because I had a little bit of knowledge and insight to give. So I did that. Let's go. He's Scrap, and of course I'm smoking that good shit,
Many rappers talking about shit they know nothing about. They say one thing and do another, but hope you don't figure them out. They impose on you like it's something you posted to. But worst part of it all is it ain't even close to true. But you would do it anyway, not everybody, but most of you do. Even admit it to it, continue to over and over again. A cycle is on to keep a prisons full of women and men. All the time, they don't care whoever see them again or what.